In this video, you'll learn how to download your eBay fees invoice. This process allows you to access important financial information related to your selling activities on the platform. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the seller dashboard. Look for the billing or payment section, which is typically found in the main menu. Within this area, locate the invoices or statements tab where all your fee records are stored. After accessing the billing section, select the billing period you wish to review. It is essential to confirm that the statement type you are viewing matches fees rather than transactions. This ensures you're retrieving the correct invoice. Before proceeding, verify that your device allows file downloads, as this will be necessary for the next steps. Next, find the download or view invoice option next to the selected billing period. Once you click this option, the system will begin preparing your invoice file. It is important to avoid refreshing the page during this processing time, as this may interrupt the generation of your invoice. Depending on your settings, you may be prompted to choose a format for the download, such as PDF. Confirm that the download has started successfully. After the download is complete, open the file to verify its contents. Check for accuracy in the totals, dates, and transaction details included in the invoice. It is advisable to save a copy of this file in a secure folder designated for your accounting records. To facilitate easy identification in the future, consider renaming the file to something descriptive. Finally, maintaining organized backups of your invoices is crucial for effective financial tracking. By keeping your invoices well organized, you can streamline your accounting processes and easily access important financial information when needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.